everyone, and good afternoon. I hope you guys are not feeling bored. And today I want to take you to a journey that I started when I don't even know what the word of journey meant. A journey that began before I had dream of my own. Sometimes we live the dreams of someone who loves us more than we believe ourselves. Well, my journey began with my mom's dream. My mother was a huge fan of Kapil Dev and PT Usha. So she decided, as we are four siblings, so she decided कि मेरे किसी एक बच्चों में से मैं किसी को तो क्रिकेटर बनाना है और पीटी उषा बनाना है. तो उन्होंने सबके ट्राई किए, but the successful attempt is standing here. And one more thing, when I met Kapil Paji, I told him आपकी मोहब्बत ने मुझे क्रिकेटर बना दिया. So he was laughing. बोलते क्यों? मैं समझा नहीं. आप तो बहुत छोटी हैं. आपकी उससे क्या मोहब्बत है? So I told him, no, you are not my love. My mother, she loves you. तो उसके उनको लगा कि किसी एक को क्रिकेटर बनाना है तो बलि चढ़ी मेरी. So he was so happy to know that. Well, a 4-year-old girl from Agra who didn't even know how to tie a shoelace properly, she used to take me and say, इसी को बनाना है मुझे क्रिकेटर. Because I was very obedient. तो obedient अगर आप हैं तो ये पहला स्टेप है सक्सेस की तरफ. Sometimes the world doesn't choose us, but a belief of mother chooses me. Early struggle, I was very weak and used to fall sick oftenly. So I started playing cricket at Eklavya Sports Stadium. I was sincere, and many times I was the only girl on the ground, and I was physically weak as I mentioned. But my mother, she always used to say, sports will make you healthy and strong. So now you can see how healthy I am, right? And strong too. Well, my coach, Mr. M.A.K. Afghani, he used to train me with the softball because I was just 4. But the moment he get distracted or looked away, I used to run into the boys' nets to play with the leather ball. Or boys, they used to say, sir, इसको हटा लो, 4 साल की है, 5 साल की है, लग जाएगी बॉल, मर जाएगी, नाम हम पर आएगा, क्रिकेट खेलने दो. But because sometimes 4-year-old cup doesn't realize she's standing amongst the line, because some of them were playing for Ranji team and some was waiting for the next team. We didn't have, not we, I would say I wouldn't have enough money to buy a proper kit or the equipments. Many times my senior Hemlata Kala, she used to give me her t-shirt and track pant. So at least I could do or look like a cricketer. I remember one day Hemlata Kala, she gave me her shoes when I was 7 or 8. So her shoes was so tight, but my mother, she was a scientist type, she liked to do experiment on her kids. तो उन्होंने आगे से ना शू का टो काट दिया था थोड़ा सा. तो कैसा है कि आपका जब पैर उसमें दबना नहीं चाहिए था. तो बात ऐसी थी, किस्मत जब साथ देती है तो छोटी छोटी जुगाड़ों को सहारा बनाना पड़ता है. And that time it was not easy. From a small town, Agra, I'm talking about 20 years back. So the ground where I used to practice was full of stone, less grass. कभी भी बॉल ऐसे फेस पे लगती थी. And for a girl, people judge you by your face first. But I kept playing. My mother, once she told me, sometimes I didn't fully understand because I was a baby at that time. बेटा अगर इंडिया खेलना है तो सीरियसली खेलो, और अगर तुम्हें स्टडीज करनी है then go to your study. पर सक्सेस होना चाहिए या तो इधर या उधर. तो इतना समझ नहीं आया because I was too young to understand these heavy words. but I understood कि कुछ serious करना पड़ेगा. Then I'll tell you one incident. When I was 12, one of my senior coach, he told me कि लखनऊ में trial हो रहा है senior national का. But that time, I'm talking about 1996, when Women's Cricket Association was not merged with BCCI. So the secretary of WCA asked to Hemlata Kala, do you have some spinners, some bowlers in your academy? Then she said, sir, hai to say, but she's too young, but you can take her trial. And he said, nahi, choti ladki nahi chahiye, because it's an open age group. So generally, Hemati said, aap jao aur dekho, wahan pe experience lo. So I left for Lucknow alone by our express general compartment. It was overcrowded. The smell near the toilets. Well, if you will travel by journal, you will come to know. Apart from that, the sight of few policemen who were probably there for security of women in women compartment made me scared. Really, I thought कि ऐसे क्यों देख रहे हैं? But police से सभी डरते हैं. All night I was awake, holding my bag tightly, scared, exhausted, and hungry. And somewhere in the middle of that chaos, that traveling, I realized and I made one promise to myself that one day I will buy at least a sleeper class ticket for me. You guys must be thinking or wondering why I didn't think of AC coach. Well, at that time I didn't even know there is something called AC. Well, I reached Lucknow half dead, but my dreams don't care about the comfort. I was all alone and just knew that कि KD Singh Babu Stadium है लखनऊ में. It's made for all sports. वहाँ पर जाना है. I hesitantly asked रिक्शा वाला, भैया मुझे आप KD Singh Babu छोड़ दोगे? पर उसमें मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि वो मुझे लेके कहाँ जाएगा. Because at the age of 12 आपको कुछ पता नहीं रहता है और अब के बच्चों को भी आप देखेंगे कि पेरेंट्स छोड़ते नहीं है इतना इजीली. But that belief and the trust on my mother's dream, he said, हाँ गुड़िया बैठो, and finally he dropped me at the stadium. तो उस समय इतना रियलाइज नहीं हुआ कि क्या बोल रहे हैं, बट अब समझ में आता है कि मुश्किलें रुकावट नहीं, आपको और मजबूत बनाने का जरिया है. हर समस्या का समाधान भी आती है, बस देखने की वो नजर होनी चाहिए. I went for the trials and I got selected. At the age of 12, I played senior national, which held in Goa. So we played first match against Kerala, and I took 5 wickets. But the first time, I thought maybe cricket is not just a passion of my mother. Now it's mine too. Initially, I played under 19, under 22 India at the age of 15 or 16 years. I was regularly in senior India camps. Over the years, I played for Uttar Pradesh, Railways, Rajasthan, and in 2002, I played my first invitation tournament to Sri Lanka. It was my first experience of the aeroplane. So please ध्यान से सुनिएगा इस बात को. I was so scared of the flight that I asked the air hostess. I called her like this and I said, "Madam, आप मुझे parachute दे सकती हैं क्या?" तो she was so surprised कि parachute क्यों चाहिए? पर ऐसे पहले पिक्चर में या कहीं ऐसा देखा था कि फ्लाइट जब गिरती है तो पैराशूट काम आता है. So that was the thought I was having in the mind. तो उसने कहा पैराशूट क्यों? मैंने कहा देखिए कुछ भी इमरजेंसी होती है तो उसके लिए अपना प्रोटेक्शन सेल्फ खुद को बचाने के लिए मुझे पैराशूट चाहिए. तो she was laughing continuously and she said, I promise कुछ भी होगा तो I'll come to save you सबसे पहले. So that was my first travel to aeroplane to Sri Lanka. I was the only girl who played all the age group under 50, under 90, the open age of group. I played for UP 1996 to 2005, and in 2005 I joined Western Railway at the age of 18 and shifted to Mumbai. I played for Railways, Indian Railways, 2005 to 2012. In 2006, at the age of 19, I wore the India jersey. It was a victory for every small town dream. Dreams are not what you see in sleep. Dreams are what keep you awake. There we were playing against England, 2 test match, 4 one-day matches and 1 T20. So I played first test and I took again the 5 wickets against England. So from 2006 to 2009, I played Asia Cup twice, Afro-Asia Cup, England home series, quadrangular between Australia, England and South Africa. But unfortunately in 2009 and end of the 2009, selectors dropped me for some reasons. But my mother said, लाइफ इतनी आसान नहीं होती है, आप जैसा चाहते हो हमेशा ऐसा नहीं मिलता है, जैसी है उसमें आपको बेस्ट कैसा बनाना है वो देखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. So in 2010, England came to play India. It was 4 T20 matches, 3 one-day series. I was selected for T20 matches, and again I took 8 wickets in 3 matches. Unfortunately, I got dropped again for one-day series. And for that time, Charlotte Edwards, who was the England captain, and now she is the coach with Delhi Capitals in WPL. She came and told me, Preeti, I am feeling so sorry for you. Why you are not there in the team? But still, I don't have an answer. I fought back. I reworked on my skills, my batting especially, because I was a left-arm spinner. I continued playing first-class cricket matches from 2000 to 2015. I was the highest wicket taker in 7 seasons. In 2013 and 14, I represented Rajasthan as a coach cum player. However, because of shoulder journey, that slowed me down. Then in 2015, I announced retirement from all the format of cricket because that injury was so bad. I able to throw from boundary line to keeper, which was so difficult. I felt shattered. I had to leave the hostel also and take a rented flat in Mumbai. And I hope you guys know the rented house in Mumbai is very expensive. And I was feeling empty, I was shattered. But you know what? Cricketers are trained to handle pain in the body, but no one trained us to handle pain in heart. And I had to accept it. Now I'll talk about rebuilding. After my playing career ended, I felt lost. For years, I was Preeti Timri, former Indian cricketer. Suddenly I wondered now who I am. Because after announcement, that time was so bad, I cannot even express you in words. I moved into rented house in Mumbai. It was difficult, lonely and confusing. And what will I do now? Because next step is very important. Learning is different, then relearn, unlearn is a journey of my career. I diverted my attention towards office because, as I told you, I'm working in Western Railways. I wanted to do the best wherever I work, whether in the office or whether on the ground. But I also stayed close to cricket. I reinvented myself slowly and steadily. In 2020, I took a commentary course. In 2021, I joined Mumbai Cricket Association, and by 2022, I became a member of Cricket Improvement Committee. Would this committee improve the cricket from Ranji to under 16 and talent hunt also. I covered some BCCI matches as a commentator and other cricket leagues also. From playing on the field, now I was helping the game off the field. And I realized something, was something profound. Sometimes life doesn't end when a dreams end. It simply asks you to change the direction. Whatever I am today it is not just because of me. My mother, my coach, my mentor Hemlata Kala, and the chai wala bhai Prakash. Because when I was struggling, most of the camp used to happen in KD Singh Babu, and he has a stall over there. तो वो मुझे फ्री में बंद मस्का और चाय वगैरह सब देते थे, एंड उन्होंने कभी पैसे नहीं लिए. उन्होंने कहा आप बस बेटा खेलने पे ध्यान दो. तो सफर खूबसूरत है, मंजिल से क्या लेना, ऐसे लोग मिलते रहे, इतना ही जरूरी है. So today I am standing here at TEDx. I want to leave you with one message. Dreams from a small town are also valid. A girl with no money for shoes who travels staying away all night in our express can one day wear a India jersey, not because she is extraordinary, but because she refused to give up. Your background doesn't define you, your bank balance doesn't define you, your failure don't define you. Your consistency does, your courage does, your willingness to rise again does. My journey started as my mom's dream became my own passion. So today, it is my responsibility to inspire a next generation little girls standing on a rough ground wondering whether she belongs to this ground or not. Yes, you belong. Yes, your dream matters. Yes, your journey is just a beginning. In life, learning will take you forward, unlearning will set you free, and relearning will help you to rise again. उड़ान बाकी है, अरमान बाकी है, हाँ, जिंदगी के काफी इम्तिहान बाकी है. Thank you, जय हिंद, जय भारत.